So before we start, I want to know, what are your goals? What band score do you need? What skills do you have? Do you have the most difficulty in when it comes to IELTS? Okay, so IELTS writing task 1. Okay, good. So in IELTS writing task 1, it looks something like this. You will have a topic, and then you have to explain what this graph is talking about. Okay? You're not expected to analyze. Your job is to explain what is happening here. So it's always a diagram. The word limit is 150 words, and they recommend that you only spend 20 minutes on this task. The main task for this is you have to summarize the information. You don't need to provide every single detail. So that is writing 1. Okay, so basically in writing part 2, you will receive a topic. It's the essay portion. Have you guys ever written an essay before? An essay? Okay, good. So this is the essay portion of writing part 2. So there are 2 parts. There's the main topic, which is this. Nowadays, people are able to use the internet to do an increasing number of tasks. And then you have your main task. Is this a positive or a negative development? Okay?